This is Briner Lightman to show you the new Power Bus patch panel puzzle. It'll be used in an upcoming escape room game. The player is faced with the challenge of connecting wires to restore the power bus. The game uses Playful Technology's design and coding to perform all of the functions. And here's a demo with my added sound effects. Resetting game.
Warning, power bus damaged. Requires repatching immediately.
At this point, the player must take the wires and attach them to the various control points. Once there's a correct circuit, the LEDs will light up.
Warning, power bus damaged. Requires repatching immediately. Power to few lines restored.
If a player removes one of the wires, it goes back to the damaged mode.
Warning, power bus damaged. Requires repatching immediately.
The solved status will be passed along to the master controller. End of demo.
Warning,